Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about ways to decorate your kitchen on a budget. For many people, the thought of redecorating their kitchen can be frightening. By just following a few or all of the tips provided below, you should be able to create something new for next to nothing. Number 1. Instead of replacing the cabinets in your kitchen, repaint them. There are techniques like crackling, faux finishing and glazing that are not only simple to do, but will give you a designer look for little cost. Number 2. By painting your walls in warm and inviting colors, you will make the room even more of the hub of the home. Number 3. A simple and easy tip for redecorating your kitchen, and will cost you nothing, is to get some of your dishes and glassware out of the cabinets, and use them to decorate the kitchen. Number 4. By changing your curtains, you could actually bring out the personality of the kitchen with little or no effort on your part. They will help to create a fresh new look to your kitchen, and they certainly will not break the bank. Number 5. If you don't have money to replace your cabinet doors, consider just replacing the hardware on your cabinet doors. Number 6. A kitchen island provides more counter space and a place where people can gather. For those on a budget, instead of getting a permanent one, consider getting a kitchen cart. If it is on wheels when not being used, it can be put away to open up the space. Number 7. Replacing the backsplash can really dress up a dull kitchen. They now come in a variety of different colors and materials, as well as styles. There are options for just about any budget. By making one small change to your kitchen, you can give it a whole new look. I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.